Did you know a skilled operator with a gas cutter can create a circle so precise it rivals machine-made parts? That level of accuracy is not just impressive. It is essential for countless fabrication projects, from custom metalwork to industrial repairs. Today, let us explore how to achieve perfect circle cuts using a gas cutter. Cutting a flawless circle with a gas cutter is not always easy. Many encounter uneven edges, jagged lines, or struggle to maintain a steady hand. These challenges can compromise both the appearance and function of the finished piece. To set yourself up for success, begin with the right tools: a reliable gas cutter, a circle cutting attachment or homemade compass, and proper safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Mark your circle clearly on the metal, double-checking measurements before you start. Good preparation is the foundation of precision. With everything in place, ignite your gas cutter and adjust the flame for a clean cut. Move steadily along your marked line, letting the attachment guide your motion. Maintain consistent speed and distance from the surface to avoid warping or rough edges. Mastering perfect circle cuts with a gas cutter comes down to preparation, the right tools, and steady technique. Share your own experiences or tips in the comments and explore more tutorials for advanced cutting skills.